Hi, I'm Pavarantanan. In this video, I'll present the steps needed to access and extract the IFC Reader download. I will also show you how to add and configure the IFC Reader modules in the Make Wizard to embed the IFC support functionality with your AutoCAD OEM-based product. First thing we have to do is to download the IFC Reader package and place the content on your developer machine. Launch your web browser and go to developer.texop3d.com. This will bring you to our developer zone, where you can find information on all of our products. Log into the dev zone using your email address, password, provided in the authorization email you got from us. Go to the OEM CAD platforms pull down, select Autodesk AutoCAD OEM. You can read about the IFC support package on the Starting About page. In the Documentation tab, you can read some technical documentation and watch this video. On the left, select Downloads. This will bring you to the AutoCAD OEM Downloads page. At the very bottom, select IFC Support, where you can access the OEM version of the IFC files and the non-English language packs. Currently, we only have German language support, and it's likely that we will add more languages as they are requested. If you want to request a non-English language that is not available from the pull-down, get in contact with David Grieve, dgrieve@texop3d.com. To download the IFC Reader for AutoCAD OEM, supporting both 2019 and 2020 releases, only 64-bit, select the download button. Now locate and open the downloaded archive. Select the target location. Enter the password you got in the authorization email. This is the extracted contents of the downloaded main package. AutoCAD OEM runtime modules, IFC standard supporting DLLs, help file content, and a PDF document providing the steps shown in this video. To show you the non-English language support, I will also download German language. Locate and open the German language archive. This is not password protected. Put it in the same location. The language resource is just a DLL, and if you want to support non-English languages, you need to add this in the Make Wizard. Now that we've downloaded everything to our developer machine, let's launch the Make Wizard to see how we can add and configure the IFC modules to be embedded in our OEM application. I'm going to launch the Make Wizard. I'm going to create a new project called IFC. Just like that. For this one, I'm going to enable everything. In the Your Modules tab, where you normally have your custom content added, you need to add the downloaded IFC files. Select Add Module, go to the location for the downloaded IFC files, select everything except the Getting Started PDF. In the Build With drop-down, select Copy File for everything, since they are mostly DLLs not referencing AutoCAD runtime modules. Everything should also go in the root folder of your host application run tree. Let's have a look at some of the modules that we need to change. The DFnet IFC DLL is referencing AutoCAD runtime modules, thus need to be bound and stamped to your host application. This is a managed module, so select Bind Managed. The DFMGD IFC DLL is a so-called mixed module. It contains both managed code and native C++ code. Select Bind Managed ARX. We also have a DBX module, but as you know, these don't need to be bound to a specific host application, so copy file is just fine here. For those of you who want to add non-English language support, add the downloaded resource DLL, use copy file, and put it in a folder named just like the one you downloaded. DE. Before compiling your help file, remember to copy the QBIM help content to, these are the images in the subfolder, QBIM content to your AutoCAD OEM help folder. So you need to add them in here. Like that. After you compile the help file, add it in the Make Wizard. Target location is help. Save. Next step is to configure the files that are referencing the AutoCAD runtime modules. The first one is the managed module, which registers the command QBIM. DFnet IFC has the same logical application name, and then the mixed DLL has DFUtils as logical application name, and the DBX module has DFIFC. We load everything on startup, and by that we are actually ready to build. Okay, and to run the application, okay, let's open a drawing, and we run the command QBIM. Let's hit F1 to see help file works. Yes, and that's the BIM manager. And we're just gonna read in an IFC file into the BIM manager, and let's create all of the geometries. This video is not meant to show the usage of the BIM manager. It's all in the help file also for you to read about. And we can you can see these are regions and native entities. Thank you for watching.